Hi, welcome, and my name's Kay Ross, and I want to welcome you to this brand new video on online workshops. Now, many of you, from talking to you, are saying, I need to put my workshops online, and that's because of the whole COVID virus and us not being able to run face-to-face workshops. Now, I've been running face-to-face workshops for over 20 years, and I absolutely love them. I love working with people face-to-face. And I also have been working online for about 10 or 15 years. And what that has taught me is that online is really different than doing anything face-to-face, because online you've got different environment, you've got different ways of engaging with people, you've got different ways of being visible. Now there's pros and cons for both. But for now, I want to talk about how can you pivot your workshop online. And the first thing that I have noticed that some people have put their face-to-face workshops, they put them up online and are selling them as a workshop. And I've looked at a lot of them, and most of them, I have to tell you, fail in one key aspect. And that number one aspect where they fail is they fail to grab people's attention, and they fail to keep their attention during the workshop. Now, the workshop might be beautifully produced. It's a lovely PowerPoint, and there's videos, and there's intros, and there's conclusions, and you can sit there and you can watch these lovely videos. But as you know, we lose people. Adults have got an attention span, if you're lucky, of 5 to 10 minutes. And in that 5 to 10 minutes, you've not only got to grab their attention, you've got to keep it. And the only way you can keep somebody's attention is to have them interacting with what you're doing. And so that means short videos, and it means have something that they have to do as part of watching the video. Watching will not cut it anymore. Watching is not running a workshop, because we'll get bored. So we've got to start thinking of all the ways that we can grab people's attention and keep it. And one of the easiest ways is what we call gamification. And that's when you get people to do something and you reward them for doing it. Now, there's all different ways of adding gamification to your courses, to your workshops. One of the easiest ways is to get everybody who's watching your video say, okay, so for the last couple of minutes I've been talking about the 3 easiest ways to grab people's attention. What I want you to do is comment below and write down your way of grabbing attention. Which one works for you, or have you got another one? And on top of that, I want you to comment on at least 3 other people's comments as well. And the person who does that the most gets a prize. Or I might say everybody who comments on each other's comments at least 3 times will get a prize. You can do it either way. But what that does is it gets people think, okay, now what can I write down? And then it also gets them reading other people's comments, because everybody likes games. Everybody wants to win a prize. It doesn't have to be a huge prize, but have something that people will want. So there's all sorts of other ways I have for pivoting your face-to-face workshops to online ones. If you want to start somewhere, come and join me on our Facebook page, Women Speak Easy Online. I'll put the link underneath, and I'd love to see you there. Any comments, post below, and I'll get back to all of you. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.